Hey guys, today we're going to be making chicken noodle soup. The first ingredients we'll need for the basics will be carrots, as you can see in my hands, very orange. Some celery. Nick, get out of my view. An egg. I'm using for the egg noodles. I don't know why I'm showing it now, but garlic. Hey Zeta, get out of the frame, please. Thank you. We're going to get rid of all this now, and I like that. That was pretty cool. Show you my knife skill. Zeta, you better stop. Okay. I'm gonna show you my knife cuts in a little bit. I'm pretty sick. I didn't do it actually. Never mind. Pretty sick. Now I will be peeling carrots. You could tell I'm peeling carrots because I'm doing it. Next, I have my carrots unpeeled, and we will now use our knife cut abilities to cut it, and I already did it. I didn't record it, so whatever. Next, we have our garlic. You cut a garlic in a more interesting way, and I just stomp it really, really hard, and you can also peel it afterwards. And look at that, garlic. It's very sticky. I wouldn't recommend touching it at all. But we're going to mince it right here into fine cuts like the movie Chef. Have you ever seen Chef Muck? It's pretty good. I think you'd like it. It has Jon Favreau in it. It's pretty good. Zeta, get out of here. Thank you. I eradicated her. We're going to be using chicken stock for the base because what do you think? What do you think? We're over here now, so check out that stock pot. Pretty nice. Not really a stock pot, but it'd be, Genghis Khan once said, sometimes you think it be like it is, but it do. We're back here. I turn on the heat, and who's thumbsing up? We'll never know. We're going to toss in our butter. We're going to toss in our carrots and celery, and we're going to toss in our garlic. Simple as that. Just let that simmer for a little bit, for like 3 minutes around. Wang jangle it all together, making sure everything is covered in butter. The good stuff, like you normally would. We are now putting in our chicken stock. So we can now, if you can't hear in the recording, but it's really loud. It's pretty cool. We're gonna add our seasonings. We're going to add is that rosemary leaves, just a pinch, spice things up a little bit. And we're going to grab, I remember what the next one is, sage. I don't know where it is. And I'm pretending to put red pepper flake in, so whatever. Next, we have our egg noodle. Pretty simple noodle compared to the other ones. We're going to get one egg. We're just going to crack it in there. And we're just going to let me do the business, I guess. We're going to put some milk in. What else am I doing? Oh, yeah, salt. For some reason, it's not coming out. I don't know why, so I pick it out with my finger. I didn't wash my hands when I went to the restroom after this. So I'm mixing it all together, making sure everything is all combined, the milk, the egg, the salt. And I'm going to show you in a second what that would look like, just in case you want to know. Yeah. So it looks like that because it looks like that. I'm pointing at it, say, hey, look, it's that. And I'm going to add half of what I have of this flour right here for the dry part, to get it all, the gluten, to get it all mixed together, and you mix it with a rubber spatula instead, not a whisk, because that would be freaking messy, right? I'll tell you what. And the next step is just simply to add some more flour. To add it in the spoonfuls at a time, so it makes sure it doesn't get too gloopy or too dry too fast. And look at that dough. Look at that, beautiful. We're going to add a little bit of dough. Apparently it wasn't done yet, but that's just how it be. I'm kneading it with my hands here. I don't know what you want me to say. How we doing, guys? How we doing, Chef Muck? How we doing, Ethan, Braylon? This is my shout out part of the video. Shout out Braylon. Shout out Hannah. Shout out Rihanna. Shout out Samaria. Shout out Sophie. Shout out Acacia. Negative shout out to Zeta. Okay, we have the dough now. Look at me. I'm rolling that up. We were just doing good. Adding flour every once in a while just to make just nice and so good. Give it a good slap. You want to give it a slap? Want to give it a slap, Nick? Pretty good. And we're going to put it in some plastic wrap. And yeah, pretty much. It's a little messy, so I'm going to clean it in one snap. God, I wish it was that easy. It was a little bit more work than that. I'm talking about some, doesn't matter really. I'm going to roll out the now egg noodle that I let sit for around 5 minutes. 5 to 7, give or take. And we're just going to put it into even strips. Just cut that boy. We have our egg noodles now. We're going to put it in the pot with chicken stock and the carrots and celery, guys. Carrots and celery. And we're just going to let that boil because, well, it already is boiled, but we're letting the noodles boil so we can actually eat them. I'm going to show you what it looks like. That was a really cool flip from whoever that was. Look at that. It's chicken noodle soup.
I'm almost done.
Next we are going to plate it. We're plating it. Look at that. Don't mind. I did not burn myself there. It actually felt pretty good. It was quite warm. It was pretty cold in there. And now I have my plate, and I'm going to bring it over here. And that, guys, is chicken noodle soup. I hope you have a good day, and keep on trucking, guys.